Hello, this is semi-auto square breathing wall ultrasonic creping machine, welding machine. This is for the square brief. You can see. Ultrasonic 15K 2600 watt, and the measure speed is 20 pieces in 1 minute. Also, they have the position, can lock the position, and put the mask on this mold, and welding it. Welding to the mask and finish sample. This is finished sample. Semi-auto breathing wall welding machine. This is touch screen. And this tool is the speed control part to control the feeding plate. This is the feeding plate. And this is air cycling. This air pressure need 5 to 6 kilogram air pressure. And this is the electric box, PLC. And other parts.